These are repeated prelims questions that were asked in UPSC IAS prelims. These were repeated not only in UPSC itself, but other exams such as SSC, HPSC, all state level exams, CDS, CAPF. So these are some must solve questions, and if you're preparing for any of the exams, you should and must solve these questions. If you want to solve all previous year questions from 1979 till 2023, there is a compilation, link will be in the description and in the comment section pinned, you can buy from there. First question, this was asked in 2010. There are only two known examples of cave paintings of the Gupta period in ancient India. One of these is paintings of Ajanta caves. Where is the other surviving example of Gupta paintings? Gupta art and culture, it's an important topic in ancient India. So if you read this topic, you must solve previous year question related to this so that you get the confidence that you have covered the topic well. Options are Bagh caves, Ellora caves, Lomash Rishi caves, Nasik caves. Answer is A, Bagh caves. Next, asked in 2012, Lord Buddha's image is sometimes shown with the hand gesture called Bhumi Sparsha Mudra. It symbolizes A, Buddha's calling of the earth to watch over Mara and to prevent Mara from disturbing his meditation, Buddha's calling of the earth to witness his purity and chastity despite the temptations of Mara, Buddha's reminder to his followers that they all arise from the earth and finally dissolve into the earth, and thus this life is transitory. D. Both the statements A and B are correct in this context. This question is directly asked from NCERT, Art and Culture. So you must read NCERT for Art and Culture. Answer is B. Buddha's calling of the earth to witness his purity and chastity despite the temptations of Mara. Next, asked in 2013, some Buddhist rock cut caves are called chaityas, while the others are called viharas. What is the difference between the two? A. Vihara is a place of worship, while chaitya is the dwelling place of the monks. B. Chaitya is a place of worship, while vihara is the dwelling place of the monks. C. Chaitya is the stupa at the far end of the cave, while vihara is the hall axial to it. D. There is no material difference between the two. Answer will be B. Chaitya is a place of worship, while vihara is the dwelling place of the monks. Again, directly from NCERT, and this question has been repeated in other exams also. Again asked in 2013, with reference to the history of Indian rock cut architecture, consider the following statements. The caves at Badami are the oldest surviving rock cut caves in India. 2. The Barabar rock cut caves were originally made for Ajivikas by Emperor Chandragupta Maurya. At Ellora, caves were made for different faiths. Which of the statements above are correct? So the caves at Badami are not the oldest surviving rock cut caves. Can you tell me which are the oldest surviving cave? It is the Barabar rock cut cave. And we just solved a question on cave architecture. This is how you take advantage of previous year questions. When you solve a question on certain topic, read all the options and facts related to it. Even the wrong options are used in next question. The Barabar rock cut caves were originally made for Ajivikas. This part is correct, but it was made by Ashoka and not Chandragupta Maurya. At Ellora, caves are made for different faiths. This is correct. Built for Hindu, Jains and Buddhas. Answer will be 3 only. Next, asked in 2016, which of the following kingdoms were associated with the life of the Buddha? This question was asked in 2015 as well as 2016. Options are Avanti, Gandhara, Kosala and Magadha. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1, 2 and 3, 2 and 3 only, 1, 3 and 4, 3 and 4 only. Answer will be D, 3 and 4 only. Next, which one of the following books of ancient India has the love story of the son of the founder of Sunga dynasty? A. Swapna Vasavadatta, B. Malvika Agnimitra, C. Meghduta, D. Ratnavali. Answer will be B. Malvika Agnimitra. If you solve this question, then you should also find about Swapan Vasavadatta, Meghduta and Ratnavali, so that if question is asked in any of these three, you are able to answer that. So this is the correct way of solving previous year questions. and getting benefit from it. For more such videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.